Yo, what's up? Dark Visor here. In this video, I will be asking you a question. I will talk about a subject called likes and dislikes on YouTube, and I will present to you a Dark Visor motor crew member, and I will also have a giveaway. And yeah, let's roll. Let's go. Rapiodo. I don't know. Let's go. I'm going to start talking about that, but before I start talking, I just want to do this little hill thing again for like the third time, because it's fun to play around. Oh, okay. I kinda hit the bottom there on my motorcycle. Pobrecito. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's a me, Mario. Oh. End of the line. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be talking about likes and dislikes on YouTube and how that affects me in my personal life. Like, how do I live with myself knowing how many dislikes I have on my YouTube channel? It's a very, very serious subject, and I would like for all of you to pray with me in this hard time. Okay, so here's the thing. If you press like on my video, then I'll know that I have done something correct. I did something that you liked, and that makes me happy, and makes me want to continue living in this world. I'm just kidding. But yeah, it tells me that you enjoy the video, basically, and that makes me happy, because then I know I did something correcto. And if you dislike my video, then I'll know that I did something that you did not like, or maybe you're just a hater. Even if you press dislike, I will say thank you, because you took your time to actually click on my video and maybe watch a few seconds of it, and then you press dislike. So thank you for that. Do I get offended by dislike? No, not at all. I'm not like those social justice warriors, or what are they called, snowflakes? I don't know. I'm not a sensitive person. I do get comments, not every day, but maybe once a week perhaps, on one of my videos, saying something like, oh, this video sucks, or you're a bad driver, you can't do cornering, or you don't know how to ride, and you shouldn't ride like that, or why did you use your brakes here, or whatever. And my response is always something like this: well, hello, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I am truly grateful that you chose to honor my video by watching and then also making a comment. For this I am truly grateful, and I wish you the best in life. Sincerely, Mr. Dark Visor, or something like that. Hello, doggies. Hello, come boy. Where the hell am I? So yeah, I'm not an easy, what do you call it? Easy offendable? Offendable? Yeah, I don't get offended easily. Yeah. I do not care about your emotions if they're negative. What I do like, however, like the best thing about YouTube ever. Can we get the big title across the screen now? Best thing about YouTube ever. No, here, ever. Yeah, it is the comment section. What I absolutely love to get, when the best thing is when I sit down at my computer, I log into YouTube, and then I see that little notification thing saying that I have notifications in the comments. To upload a video and not to get a comment on it, that's the worst thing ever. I don't care about likes or dislikes or whatever, just few comments on a video. Now that makes me sad. But when I upload a video and I come home and then I see like, oh, this video has like 30 comments or something, then I almost start to cry. Makes me so happy. Oh my lord, I've ran over a frog. Fuck me. I have to make sure. I saw him in the last second. Where are you, froggy? No! I'm sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Let's take a silent moment here for this Mr. Frog. Well, now he will be food for the birds or something, so nothing goes to waste. I don't know who is watching my video. I mean, I can log in and see like 1,000 people have watched my video, but I don't know who is watching. I just can see the numbers. So if you're watching my videos, just drop a comment, just write anything. Just do a smiley or whatever, just a thumbs up. Then I'll know that you have been watching. And I do remember the names of the people who comments on my videos. And thank you all for your support, especially with my new thing, the whole motovlog thing. All those comments saying that I did a good job and that you enjoy my videos and keep on the good work. That makes me really happy. So thank you. Namaste. Okay, so I have a question for you. And my question is this. What was the first motorcycle you ever rode? Like, what brand was it? And what model? How many ZZ? And how old were you when you rode it? And now I'm going to present to you the second member of Dark Visor Motor Crew, and that is another Swedish motovlogger. His name is Motor Pontus. Most of his videos are in Swedish, but I think by the time I'm saying this, he has recorded one video in English. Maybe he has released another video by the time you watch this. But you should definitely check him out. He contacted me on Instagram asking me if I wanted to do a test ride video of his motorcycle, which is a Kawasaki CX-14, the 1440cc motorcycle. So that video was made possible due to him. So you should all thank him in the comment section. So check out Motor Pontus, his channel. It will be linked down here somewhere in the description. Well, someone told me that I was only doing my YouTube channel only to make money. So to prove that person wrong, I'm going to have a giveaway in this video. And the giveaway is one of these microphones that you can plug into your GoPro cameras or any other cameras, so you can make your own motovlog and talk and make videos. I'm gonna give that away. I'm gonna ship it to whoever's gonna win it. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, just say it straight out in your comment, like, I want to be a part of this giveaway. Just use the word giveaway and you'll be in the raffle. I'm not doing this motovlog thing to make money. I'm just doing this because I love to ride motorcycles. I love to make videos, and I like the whole community thing, like meeting new riders and talking with new riders, and we all share a common ground, you know. We all share the same thing, which is riding motorcycles. So you can support my channel by joining Visor Motor Crew. All that you have to do is get something from the crew store. It could be a sticker for like $1, or it could be a coffee mug, or it can be a t-shirt or a hoodie, whatever. And I don't make any serious money with the merchandise. I have basically put the amount as low as possible, so it just covers the shipping fees and the fees that Teespring itself takes out for doing all the work. So, but still, I get I get like $1 per item or something like that. So it's really not that much. But any dollar is welcome, because I spend about $10 to $15 every day when I ride a motorcycle, just in gas money. So it costs a lot to ride all day to make these videos. So if you want to support me, join Visor Motor Crew. I think I will wrap up the video. So thank you all for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, join Visor Motor Crew if you want to. Drop a comment, be part of the giveaway. Bye bye!